Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as Littlefitdevil, and today I have an amazing review for you all. This time, an amazing treadmill from WELLFIT, and this one is a 2-in-1. Yes, that means that you can fold it and you can unfold it, and you have an amazing walking pad versus a treadmill. And also the great thing about it is that you can walk, you can climb, and you can run. I love at-home treadmills because it is the only way that I can get 10K steps every single day. Some days I can get them outside, some days I can get them at the gym, but for the most part, if the weather is bad, if my schedule is a mess, if I have my son at home, this treadmill is what makes my steps stay intact at the 10K. So if you are looking to get an amazing steps in goal, check out this treadmill. Let's hear the review that I have for you. Let's go. Okay everybody, there's a couple of reasons why I think having a treadmill like this at home is an amazing investment. First of all, fitness goals, you're gonna have them when you have something that you can use at home that doesn't require you to leave the house. But second, I think it is cool to have something that's a 2-in-1, and here is why. So first of all, you can run on this treadmill. It has this bar as a support, right? It also has a phone holder right here that you can just put your phone horizontally and enjoy a game, or if you're reading something and all that. It also allows you to set it in a place in your home where you can perhaps watch TV and do something to keep yourself entertained while you're getting your steps in. Another amazing feature is that this actually folds, and I love that because I live in a small space. I have said this before, so just leaving the treadmill here in the living room is not something that I like. And if you are kind of like a decor person, you understand what I mean. So I love that I can fold this super easy and store it under the couch or under my bed or wherever you find a storage. And it's super easy to use. So it is great that you can carry it and then carry it back in with zero effort. Let me show you. Okay, check this out. So first we turn it off, and then see this lever? You pull it out, and now it unlocks the top bar, see? It doesn't weigh anything. I can handle it with one hand. And then you bring it all the way down, like so, and you lock it again in place. So now you have a walking pad that you can use perfectly. You can use it under a desk. This is super trendy these days, where you can work and walk at the same time, or you can have it like as a more free sort of experience. I like it this way as well. Now you're probably wondering that if you don't have the handle, you also don't have the controls to set up your treadmill and manage your speed and so on. Well, let me show you how you do it. Ta-da! We're gonna use the treadmill via a remote control. Yes, so you're walking, you have the remote, so you can control your speed with the plus and minus buttons, and then you can start or stop it with the button at the center, and you can also pause it as well. So this handy dandy remote is what's going to make you use your treadmill when the bar is down. Let's check it out. We're ready to move the treadmill. Okay, I'm lifting from anywhere, really, okay? Look, one-handed, all right? I'm going to do a few moves so you can see this, okay? It's already locked in place, so you can grab from the bar or from underneath, but look, see, there's wheels. Some specs on this amazing treadmill. First of all, it has a weight capacity of 350 pounds, has an adjustable speed of 0.6 to 7.6 miles per hour. It has the ability to connect to some smart functions. The one that I like the most is WELLFIT Fitness. It is an app on your phone. I will show you here in a second. And also you can utilize this as a 3D immersive experience just to make your workout so much more fun. Ta-da! Not to mention, super easy to use, perfect for beginners. Let me show you how it's done. This treadmill is really easy to use because it only has a 6-button function. So you can adjust your speed with the minus and the plus sign. You also can control directly your speed with the 3 and the 6. This will give you a 3-mile-an-hour speed. This one will give you a 6-mile-an-hour speed. So kind of like a quick button. And then you have the start and pause in the same button and a stop. Obviously, if you need an emergency stop, you pull on this and you're stopping. And of course, you have your phone holder right here. Got it? Now, let me show you how to use the WELLFIT Fitness app. Using the WELLFIT app makes your experience so much better. You can insert all your information and allow the app to do its work for you. You can select one of their training programs, immerse yourself in interacting training scenarios, and enter a world of realistic 3D environments that make every run an adventure. You can also select different locations. You can also select different backgrounds, and just really use this workout in the best way possible. By means of their AI voice control, you can actually use your voice to tell the app what to do. For example, you can say something like, "Start running, I plan to run 2 miles today," and the treadmill would do it for you. Okay, so if you look at the treadmill on its side, you can see these stops right here. This is what's going to give you an incline on the treadmill. So you have one stop here at the top, one stop here in the middle. They come in the accessory bags with the treadmill. And this is what allows you to get incline on the treadmill, as you can see here. What are you waiting for? Do not be the person that's waiting till Monday, next month, the best week, or some sort of special occasion to start your fitness journey. You can go ahead and get one of these amazing treadmills by WELLFIT. The link in the description of this video. Super easy to get, super fast to get. So no more waiting. Get your fitness ready and use an amazing at-home treadmill. And that does it. If you like what I do, consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video. Please turn on post notifications. You can follow me on social media. You can support me on Patreon, where I provide early access to most of my YouTube videos, including photo shoots with a lot of the items that I try on in this channel, as well as amazing perks. I also have 2 additional channels, CARLA's Life, for a behind-the-scenes lifestyle amazing experience, and a gaming channel, CARLA Raids, where I provide reviews of amazing video games. And that concludes today's review. If you like this amazing treadmill, link in the description. I will see you guys soon in another one.